Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to do an oil change on a BMW F10 F11 BMW guys. If you have 5 Series that generation, video will be super helpful guys. This is the 4-cylinder N20 or N26 engine guys, and make sure to stay until the end. We want to share some information guys that can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on future repairs. Now, quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, we make more than 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you guys need to buy engine oil filter, all the tools and parts that we use, everything will be listed in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get them from, so that way if you need them, we share them for your convenience guys. This is a 2013 model BMW 528i that we'll demonstrate on, but it will actually apply to many models. Now, we're using guys the German oil here, 5W40. Check your manual. Depending on where you live, you may use different grade oil. This is the oil filter right here. All that will be shared in the description of the video below. This is okay. Now, you're supposed to use there is a special wrench guys, okay, for the oil filter cap. There is a special wrench. We unfortunately do not have this one guys, so as a result guys, okay, we'll use the pliers. But if you want to see the special tool, it will be listed in the description of the video below. You're going to need Allen wrench 10mm guys. This is for the oil drain plug. So okay, let me focus. Perfect. So what we're going to do now guys, we're going to go ahead, okay, we're going to jack the car up, drain the oil, and then we'll continue. So now we're ready to drain the engine oil guys. We'll show you where you have a special hole where you can reach the oil drain plug from. You will see that our engine cover is missing. Okay, this is because we'll do some other repairs while we're underneath, but you don't have to remove your engine cover. You can see right there, okay, that's where your oil drain plug is located. So you can just reach it through that hole. Pretty simple guys. Go ahead, get it loose. Be careful not to break it. I think it's a plastic drain plug. I need to verify to make sure, but from what I can see guys, we'll actually be dropping the oil pan. We'll have video for timing chain replacement. As you know guys, that's a very weak spot on that BMW, and we have a problem with the timing chain. So video will be on the channel shortly. How to replace timing chain, how to install new timing chain, all that will be there. So oil is draining now guys. Okay, this is the oil drain plug, okay, right there. We're going to let it drain. It will take probably about 5 to 10 minutes to drain it good. Now, one thing guys, you want to make sure, okay, one thing that you want to make sure is that you guys do not burn yourself. Use gloves, okay, use also not only gloves but eye protection as well. And it looked like somebody stripped the thread out of that oil drain plug. Check it out. From what we see, I think somebody stripped the thread on that thing because it's plastic and they over tighten it. So we might need to replace that one as well. So we found guys what the problem is right here. Okay, you can see this is the oil drain plug. Now you're supposed to have a big fat O-ring on the bottom. Okay, whoever did the last oil change, they lost it guys, and they weren't even smart enough to install an O-ring. What they did, they used a pipe sealant guys, and just pisses me off guys. That thing is not very expensive, new drain plug with the seal and everything guys. We ordered ours. We will have the link in the description of the video below, and you can see guys where you can get it from. So we'll go ahead, get the new one and install it now. So we're installing the drain plug. We'll just get it tight. Do not over tighten that thing guys. This is plastic. Okay, this is plastic guys. It's very important not to over tighten it. Okay, we'll find the torque specs and we'll share them in the description of the video below, so you can see what the torque specs are. Okay, otherwise you can say bye bye to your oil pan. Perfect, and we just get it out and we can continue guys with the next step now. So now guys, let me confirm quick guys. Okay, BMW, I'll recommend to use the BMW oil. We will have the link in the description of the video below as well. We're using 5W30 on different engines, different temperatures, different climates. BMW actually recommends 0W30 or 5W30 BMW oil. We're using 540 guys here at the shop, but I'll recommend to get the correct oil, and we'll have the links for all the oil kinds in the description of the video below, so you can check it out guys. So we drain the oil. Now we're going to get the oil filter cap loose. Now I'll recommend to use only special wrench guys here. ours. I have one and we borrowed it to a friend, never returned it, so we're in a place where we have to take it off now. I cannot wait for a delivery, so we're going to go ahead and remove it, and you're going to need a special wrench so we can tighten it, guys. Later it says 25, okay, 25 plus 5 Newton meters right here, and this is the torque wrench. We have that one listed in the description of the video below if you want to check it out as well, guys. Now, while we are putting the filter out, okay, let's get it out. You can see all that dirty oil, guys. Now it's draining. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to get the oil filter out, and then we're going to go ahead and drain the engine oil. Why? Because now that extra oil now is draining in the oil pan, and then we're going to jack the car up, and we're going to, guys, go ahead and drain the oil pan. So you want to remove the filter first. Another thing now, guys, don't wait on oil changes as long as BMW says. I always do them earlier. Those engines are known for timing chain failures. This is the timing chain that we just removed. Timing chain guide failed, and if that happens and you bent a valve, guys, it's going to cost you $5,000 to $10,000 to rebuild or replace your engine. Complete video about timing chain maintenance on that engine, guys. Okay, it's on our channel. Check it out. Everything from start to finish. Super long and detailed video that explains everything, guys. So now we're going to get our filter right here. We're going to remove, okay, let's see what the filter comes with first. Okay, see if we have all the O-rings and all that stuff. So okay, we have 2 O-rings and the other one is for the drain plug, but for that model we don't need that drain plug washer because we have the plastic drain plug. So we go ahead, pull the filter out. Okay, looks terrible. We're going to go ahead and actually remove now, guys, the O-rings so we can replace those as well. Okay, one is out. Let's see if we can do it with that screwdriver. I think I need to go get the other screwdriver before we break it. Yeah, 1 second. I need to grab a thinner screwdriver. Let me see where we actually left this one. So we actually got the knife. Even if we cut it, it's fine. Just make sure that you don't damage your oil filter holder, guys. Those short O-rings are hard to remove sometimes. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and replace them with what we have here. That's what I like about that filter kit. We always use, guys, the MAN filters. Nothing sponsored here, but we like them. There is no metal parts or anything inside of the filter. Okay, let me show you what the filter looks like. Okay, that's it right there. All plastic paper. So it's actually all on paper foundation, I think. Perfect. So that way things cannot disintegrate and fall apart, and make sure that the engine is performing correctly. And we go ahead and install the outside too, guys. Okay, you have to remember in which canal it was. Okay, perfect, just like that. Lubricated with a little bit of oil. Always use gloves, guys. Why we don't, I don't know. You should, guys, because that's not good for your health, not good for your skin, so always use gloves as well. Now we get the new filter and we just slide it in. Okay, it will be tight, guys. Perfect. Now what we're going to do, we're going to screw it back on the car. Okay, right there. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and install it. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and install it, guys. So we'll start getting it tight. We might have to push the filter a little bit in, guys, a little bit more. Or make sure that you don't cross thread it too. So we just get it tight. Let me get two gloves on so I don't scrape my fingers, guys, and that's why you need that special tool socket, okay, for top, so you guys don't run into something like we do right now here. So Okay, this is it. So we're ready with the oil filter, guys, and now we're going to go ahead and add oil. According to the manual, guys, from what I found and people sharing on the forums, it takes 5.3 quarts or 5 liters, okay, European liters. This bottle is the European formula here, so this is 5 liters exactly. Let me show you, and here it says 5.28 quarts, which is 5.3 pretty much, guys. Check it out. So we'll go ahead, pour that one out, and we're just going to empty the whole content all the way. We need to open the cap. I really like that Licky Moly stuff. Nothing sponsored here. They have it in the 532, but we'll be running 540 to see how the engine performs this time. I've been using it in the other BMWs and it works really, really good. So we'll go ahead, guys, put the funnel on, and we're going to start adding oil now. So let's just empty the whole content. And you can see it's going to take just a little bit of time, so we're going to do that and we'll come back. Okay, empty all the way, guys. Now there are a few more things that we need to do. Make sure to stay until the end, guys. We're going to go ahead and install the cover, the oil cap here now. 3 things that you shouldn't forget, guys, so far. Okay, oil drain plug, oil filter to get oil drain plug tight, oil filter tight, and to install your oil cap, because those are the most common mistakes. And number 4, add oil, because some people will forget. What I like about those, because you have the little bitty sticker that you can put your mileage, peel it, and put it under the hood, so next time you know when you need to change your engine oil. So we guys added the engine oil, right? Everything's good there. So what I'm going to do, you need to start your vehicle, guys. When you start it, make sure that oil light will not pop on the dash, and if it does, it goes away after 2 or 3 seconds max. Otherwise, turn your car immediately. If something says that it doesn't have oil pressure or anything like that, turn it off immediately. Something's wrong, maybe with the oil filter, maybe, guys, you didn't put enough oil, maybe you forgot to tighten something and as a result oil leaked out. So if you see oil pressure light, okay, turn the car off. So now we'll show you guys how to do that. I'm going to start the car. Okay, car is started. I don't see oil light or anything like that. Now we're going to use the iDrive here, guys, and I'm going to select now vehicle info, click OK. Now vehicle status. Okay, let me click OK here. Let me turn the light off to see. Okay, I think you'll be able to see better. And vehicle status, and we go to engine oil level, click OK. It says engine oil level OK. Measuring engine oil level, measurement possible when engine is at operating temperature and switched on, and vehicle is parked on level surface. So now that will happen only when the engine, guys, warms up. It's going to show you the correct level, but it says engine oil level is okay for now, but always double check the other one as well. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.